The rays of sunlight streaming through the window had given a golden coating to the pale yellow curtains. My gaze moved from there to the pale blue sofa set in the drawing room, the teapot shining from the glass top, the beautiful showpieces arranged on the shelf, and then settled on my daughter Sumitra sitting opposite. Trying hard not to look at the picture of the young man with Sumitra in the photo frame placed on the table, I looked away. I sat down trying not to see my husband Ashok, who was sitting next to me, who was trying to suppress his anger. But the emotions that were running through my mind must have been visible on my face. What she told us about herself to us, who had come to see our daughter, who was working in the city, was shocking. I could not understand what she said next. The lenses of my glasses fogged up, but I could not take them off and wipe them. My sweet daughter a few years ago used to walk holding my finger. She used to walk around behind her father and mother. She used to ask her father if she wanted this, that, and she would take it off. Is she now sitting here in front of us and talking about herself without any fear? Is she big enough to make her own decisions as soon as she leaves home and gets a job with some boy, being together without getting married? This relationship has a new name, live in relationship. Tears were ready to roll down my cheeks. Something felt stuck in my throat. When I saw my husband's clenched fist, I felt like his anger was about to burst. I was struggling with unexpressed emotions in some other world when I heard a voice calling out to me, Mom. Sumitra moved the teapot a little back and sat on the floor in front of me. I wanted to tell you about this before anyone else knew about it. That's why I was waiting for you to come. Sumitra tried to make us understand. I love you very much, I respect you, but you have to understand me. Kiran and I are living together because of mutual admiration. But we do our own chores, like washing dishes and clothes. We share the household expenses. I don't wait for him without eating. He can't blame me for you coming here. I don't have to do any half hearted fasting for him. He doesn't have to change his ways for me. We will take our own decisions about our career and family. We won't force anything. Our savings and investments will be separate. We prefer to be friends rather than husband and wife. Father, is this wrong? Ashok's red face showed surprise. Sumitra continued, There is nothing wrong with understanding each other before getting married, right? It is better to make sure that we love and respect each other than to file for divorce after marriage without making any compromise. If that is the case, we can get married. Otherwise, we can separate without getting upset. But I started to say something. Meanwhile, Sumitra put her head on my lap and said, You both have raised me to be intelligent. I will not bring another life to this earth until I find a permanent home for my life. Don't you have that much faith in me? I felt like stroking her head and hugging her. Meanwhile, I stopped when I saw my husband standing up. Vani, let's go, he said. Sumitra's face turned pale. Just as I was about to say something to him on behalf of our daughter, I was stunned by what he said. Get up, let's get some rest. Then we will meet this Kiran and go to our village. In a moment, Sumitra frowned and hugged us tightly. I will call Kiran right now. Thank you, mother, father, she said. Now I nodded Sumitra's head and kissed her forehead. While she was busy calling Kiran, my mind was thinking. Everyone should start taking their own decisions once in their life. I didn't do that, but my daughter is doing it. Time will decide whether her decision is right or wrong. I only want to see her in her bridal attire with Kiran. But this is possible only if the love and trust in their current relationship become strong. Otherwise, we will be with our daughter. The new light completely dispelled the cloud of doubt that had been in our minds. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever a new video is uploaded.